Okay, question 1 on the midterm review assignment is listen and write in Spanish. So I'm going to say either sentences or questions in Spanish. For question 1, you write exactly what I say in Spanish, spelling everything correct with accents and tildes, punctuation such as periods at the end or question marks at the beginning or at the end. I will repeat each question twice. You might want to pause in between each sentence or question so that you can write them down. You can use your notes to check them, but remember this is timed, and if you spend too much time on question 1, you will not get finished with the assignment. Let's begin. Number 1. Vosotros amáis. Vosotros amáis hablar español. Hablar español. That was number 1. Number 2. Yo no canto. Yo no canto. Y bailo. Y bailo. That was number 2. Number 3. Nosotras caminamos. Nosotras caminamos al hotel. Al hotel. That was number 3. Number 4. Preguntas tú. Preguntas tú. El maestro. El maestro. That was number 4. And number 5. Hay unos papeles. Hay unos papeles en mi mochila. En mi mochila. And that is number 5. I will read them all one more time. Number 1. Vosotros amáis hablar español. Number 2. Yo no canto y bailo. Number 3. Nosotras caminamos al hotel. Number 4. Preguntas tú el maestro. And number 5. Hay unos papeles en mi mochila. So in number 1, you write exactly what I said in Spanish, spelling it correctly. In question 2, translate question 1 from above down here. Translate question number 2 down here in proper English. Remember to give details about the ambiguous people.